Hey there, it's Josh from the Jestic Culinary Team. We're going to talk a little bit today about a new feature on the GVE version of Henny Penny's Open Fries. We've now got the ability to save set points for our product programs onto a USB stick, so we can transfer that over to our other units, speed up the process of doing that programming, help us keep that consistency between all of our equipment, whether you've got one fryer in one site or 10 fryers in 20 sites. So first thing we need to check is the controller on the version of software that allows us to do this? We need to be on version 1.28 onwards. Anything less than that, we will need to do a software update, and I'll talk you through that later on. But let's turn the controller on and have a look at the number that comes up. And I'm on version 1.28. So we are able to do some product downloading and uploading via USB. We need a handy Phillips screwdriver for this. We're going to undo the screw at the top. That loosens the controller up, and then keeping a hand underneath of it, we can lift it and flap it down. The USB slot for this is behind the little grey patch. So we'll then unscrew this, and then we'll pop our USB stick into the USB port on the back of the controller. The beep indicates it's been read. Let's pop the controller up while we're doing this. So downloading our set points onto our USB stick. We're going to get into our info mode here by pressing our two filter buttons at the same time. Info mode loads. We're then going to press our left arrow, so our left filter button, to go to option 14, which is our USB support option. We're then going to use our down arrow, the info button, to get to the option that says save SP, short for set points, to USB stick. We're going to confirm we want to do that by hitting the tick, and then we can press the remove button to then safely remove our USB stick by dropping the controller back down. Easy as that. So we've got our set points on a USB stick. Let's get them uploaded onto a different fryer. So USB stick in the back. Let's get those set points off of it. We're going to get into info mode, the two Fs together at the same time. We're then going to press the left arrow to go over to option 14, USB support. The down arrow to read SP, short for set points, from USB. We'll hit the tick. It will do its stuff. Our set points are uploaded. We're now ready to remove our USB stick. So we'll press the tick to confirm we're happy to remove. We get this little 60-second countdown. So let's undo this screw at the top to loosen the controller up. Lower that down quickly. Pop our USB stick out, and then we can replace our cover. Come back up. Reattach our controller. Let's get the screwdriver in there, use my knee to hold it up, and then we can come out of our menu here by pressing the two Fs again. If we're not on version 1.28 and above, or on 1.27 or below, we need to do a software update. So easy peasy to do a software update. Let's download that version of software from the Henny Penny website, or get one of your contacts at Jestic to send it out to you, and then we'll pop our USB stick into the USB port. Let's pop the controller up while we're doing this. We are going to go into level 3 programming for this. So I'm going to hold down my temperature and my info button, press them at the same time. We'll wait for the third set of beeps. Still waiting. And then level 3 passcode on the GVE fryer is 1122 1122. We're then going to use the up and down arrows now to scroll through until we get to the flash software option in menu H. We're going to press the confirm button to say we want to do that. We want to flash here, so we're going to go yes, we want to flash. The file number will come up. I know that's version 1.28. If you're not sure, check it on your PC. Confirm that. Confirm again, and now it will do its software update. The fryer then resets, turns itself back on. We should get that software version up on the screen. Make sure we're on the correct level that we need to be to do the programming downloads. We're good to go. Now we can download some programs onto a USB stick and then upload them on the next fryer. If you've got any QSR, Henny Penny, Jestic questions, please get in touch at info@jestic.co.uk or give us a call on the number below.